All right, here we go, guys. Now, again, I know it's been a little while. All right, so let's make sure you guys remember everything. Graph each line using the slope and y-intercepts. So first thing I'm going to do is, who remembers? Tell me. Yes, so the y-intercept is 0, -4, and the slope is? What? 2/1. You're looking at number 2, I think.
Oh. Am I wrong? Oh, I'm on the wrong page.
Shh, no. It's all right. It's all right. Not a big deal. So the slope here for number 1 was what? Yeah, -3/1. Is everybody okay with that? And now reviewing how to graph that, Tanner.
I want to hear what a day is.
What?
No, we have two.
Here, just take this one. I don't care.
I was asking that day.
Well, here, come get it. Okay,
So you go 0 times the right and left and then down 4.
down 4, perfect. Then what?
And then, then you go to the left 3 to the negative.
Stop. Someone help him. What do we do?
Go down 3 and then go right.
Yes, down 3 and right 1. Down 3, right 1. And then you're going to draw the line. Anybody have any issues with that? All right, so question number 2. Tell me.
So you would do y equals 0, -3, and x is 0, -3.
Y negative.
Or is 0, 3 times.
0, 3 is good.
Yeah, and then m equals 2/1.
So,
And then you go up 2
and
over 1.
exactly up 2/1 and draw the line. Anybody have any issues so far? All right, Mr. Milazzo, tell me what to do on number 3.
So we want to find the y-intercept, and the y-intercept is 0, -1.
Beautiful.
And the slope is -3/5. So you go down 1.
Down how many?
1. Well, down 1, and then since it's -3, you go down 3 and across 5.
Yeah. Across, you mean?
Right.
Yes, there you go. Anybody have any issues? Okay. Number 4, 4/7 x minus 2. Go.
You go
Down
down 2,
2.
and then you go up 4 and then to the right 7.
Yep. Anybody have any issues? Pretty good. X equals 3.
You draw a vertical line.
Yes, you draw a vertical line at what point?
Yeah.
Yep, vertical line at x equals 3. Anybody have any issues with that? Okay, someone describe for me y equals 4. Tell me, Sebastian. Horizontal at 4. Anybody have any issues with that? Okay, let's go on. All right, now for number 7. Abigail, what am I doing? So what is this fraction in front of the x?
It's y.
Y equals,
Y equals x over 3.
or
And
do you agree with that? Or you could say 1/3 x, right? And then what's the y-intercept?
then the y-intercept is -2.
Exactly. Tell me how to graph that.
So then you go -2.
Yes.
Graph.
And then what?
You move up 1 to the right side.
Not to the side, but to the,
Right.
yeah, make sure you say right and left. All right, anybody have any issues with that so far? Okay. David, what do I do for 8?
So you divide to -4/5 plus 2
-4/5 what?
x plus 2.
Yep, so now what do I do?
For the y-axis, and then you want 5
Down what?
down 4 and then the right side.
Yes, down 4 to the right 5.
But you don't-
What's that?
Like, can't you go down, go up 4 and then go to left 5?
If you want to do that, you can. Up 4 and left 5 is okay. What? Oh. Okay, so for number 9, what do I have to do?
So you go to x and 5y equals -3x minus 10,
Right, remember you throw in the 3x to the right side.
and then you divide by 5, so y equals -3/5x minus 2, and then you plot it on the y-axis at -2, and then you go down to another 5.
Anybody have any issues with that? Anybody? Anybody? All right, let's take a look at number 10. What am I doing?
So you move the x to the other side, so it's 8 minus x equals 4y.
I want you to write -x plus 8 though, even though what you said wasn't wrong. I want you to put the x first.
Okay. You divide by 4y, -4y.
Yep, you're dividing by -4. So what is that?
So -2.
No.
Oh, well, 1 over, -1/4. Plus, and then there's minus 2.
Right, do you agree it's 1/4?
Yeah.
If you put new negatives, it's okay, but we just don't traditionally do that.
Then you do, down 2,
Down 2,
up 1, and right 4.
there we go. That was kind of easy. Yes, sir.
What if we, because you're dividing by -4, so what if you -1/4?
But isn't it already
Oh, no,
neg?
it's already negative.
Yeah. It's all right. It's all right. All right. So number 11. Come on, someone else. Catherine. Yes, you do. And then what? Now what? There you have it. Anybody have any issues? All right, let's try number 12. Tell me.
Let's do 7y minus 9x plus 14 minus 14.
Yes.
-9/7 x -9/7 x minus 2.
That is correct. So now what?
Then you go down to
Now, can I really go down 9 in this case?
no.
Now, if you wanted to, you could say, okay, I know 9's about right there. But instead of going down 9, you can go up 9 And then you would go,
Seven right.
7 right or 7 left? The reason we're going to the left is because,
You switch the negatives.
yeah, you switch the negatives. Tanner, what's the matter? All right, what do you got?
Well, you would, move, so you move 2 and not 6.
Right.
Okay,
Mhm.
so you move the lesser one. So, it would be 0 minus 2x.
Right, but I don't have to do anything with the 0, right?
Oh, yeah, so,
Then what?
then you would, do, negative y equals 1/3. No. Then it would be just y equals 1/3.
Yes,
Negatives cancel each other
that's
out.
right. Very good.
So,
Now what?
you'd start off at 0.
Yes, you would. Very good. Start out at 0, and then what?
And then you would go up 1 and to the side, to the right 3.
Yep. Any issues? Any issues? All right.
You go back.
All right, here we go. 14. Now in this one, writing the equation, right? So the first thing you want to remember is the equation is y equals mx plus b. Everybody okay with that? So what's b?
-2/1.
That's m.
Oh, 8.
So m equals -2/1 and b is equal to 8. Down 2 to the right 1. No matter what 2 points you pick, it's always going to be down 2 to the right 1. All right, so what's the equation?
Y equals -2/1 x plus 8.
Yes, y equals -2x plus 8.
What if you went? Oh, wait, I was gonna ask if you equal 8 down to x plus 8.
Yes.
If you picked it as a fraction, would you? like,
Do I
left it
care?
wrong? Would you left it wrong?
For you, I would.
Not for everybody.
Everybody else, it would be fine.
So do you know where you got the 8?
Yeah, it's the Y-intercept.
Yeah, you never know what that is.
Shh.
Oh, so it's like the places where the y crosses those like that.
Where the line crosses the Y-axis.
Okay.
All right. So here we go on 15. Everybody should be able to look at that now and say, obviously, that is just
0. Oh.
no.
Right.
I'm interested in writing the equation of the line. I didn't ask you about the slope. Y equals 4. That is the answer. It's a horizontal line. Y equals 4. Just like vertical lines are going to be what? X equals. So if you take a quick look at 17, you would say that's just what answer?
X equals negative.
Yep, X equals -4. All right, that's it. All right, everybody good? All right, let's try 16. Tell me.
All right. It's gonna be very hard, but I'll have it right. So it's negative, so it's -4. Or b is -4,
Okay,
and then y or m will equal 3 over -2.
I'm good with that.
If you're trying to remember negative 2, why is you write -3/2?
I went down 3, which is -3, and to the right 2. But as you were fully aware, 3 over -2 is the same thing. Right, which is the same as -3 over 2, like that. All right, nothing to it. All right, so let's take a look now at 18. Go ahead.
So the y-intercept b is -4, and then it's 4 over 7.
That wasn't bad, right?
No,
Yes, sir.
can I do the next one?
Yes, tell me.
So B is 6
Right?
and the -1 over, oh, wait, no, so it's just 1. 1 over 6 x minus 6 equals
1 over 6x, what?
plus 6.
Yeah, leave him alone. Let him just make a mistake and correct it. It's much better. All right. Okay, now for 20, here's where you can kind of use your calculator. All right, look at the table. All right, graph it out. So what 3 numbers are we using here?
-1, 0.
Yeah, -1, 0, 1. -1, 0, and 1. And then plug it in. What do we get?
-6, -2, and 2.
And then plot those 3 points. And then graph the line. All right, now on 21, what numbers do I plug in on 21? Yeah, because we're dividing by 4, it's easier if you plug in numbers that are divisible by 4. And when we plug in -404, we get what?
-6, -3.
Just plot those 3 points and draw the line.
So -4, -3.
Yes.
Here. Wow.
Yeah, if for some reason they don't line up, 3 points don't line up, you just made a mistake plugging in number A.
I don't think I.
All right, that's why you should double check with the table on the calculator.
Oh, I can just do that.
And you can see your mistake.
Oh, I see.
Now, graph using the intercepts. All right, when we're using the intercepts, you're going to let 0 be what? And also 0 be what? There you go. If I plug 0 in for y, I get what? If I plug 0 in for x, I get, and I just plot those points. 2, 0, 0, -4. Hey. Just yickety yak, stop talking, just constant. Self-control. All right, let's try it again. 23. The x and y intercept. The x intercept is going to be what? What is it?
negative five.
-5. And then 4. All right, anybody have any issues with that? Okay, we're doing pretty good. All right, so everybody quickly just practice graphing 24 and 25. It's like super hot. Is it hot in here?
Yeah, no.
It is hot. It's stuffy. I can't really breathe. All right, anybody have any issues with 24, 25?
I'm not done yet.
What do we got, David?
No, I'm saying. These problems, it's y1 minus.
Y2 minus Y.
Y2.
Okay, here we go, please. Graphing 24 would require me to do what? What am I doing?
You're doing the slope and the y-intercept.
So tell me what to do.
So, it's y equals 3/1x minus 2.
I'm trying to graph it. What do I do?
Then you put the y-intercept is like 0, comma, minus 2.
And
So
then,
you graph that, and then it's, you go up 3 and to the right one.
yep, up 3/1. Tanner, what?
Wait, how did you get that?
What's the y-intercept, Tanner?
-2.
And then what do I do?
And then you just go up 3 and to the right one.
Yeah, up 3 to the right one. Okay. Okay, number 25. All right. Liam, tell me what to do.
So first you divide 3y, oh no, sorry, first you add 5x to
That's
the other side,
correct.
and then you divide 3 from both sides.
Right.
Y equals 5/3x plus 3,
Beautiful. Now what?
and then 3 is the y-intercept, so it's 0, 3.
And then,
And then the slope equals 5/3. So first you graph the y-intercept as 3.
yep,
Up 3, and then you go up 5 and to the right 3.
yes. Nothing to it. Okay. Yes, sir. Yes.
So you would add 3x on the certain type, so 3x plus 14 equals 7y.
Good.
And then you would divide 7 on each side. So it'd be 2 plus 3/7x equals 1. And you
I
would-
prefer you write 3/7 x plus 2, right?
Yes,
Even though it doesn't matter. Then what?
you'd go up 2 for
Up 2, and then what?
up 3 and right 7.
Perfect.
Yeah, I caught him there.
Thank you. All right, anybody have any issues with the graphing? All right, from there, all right, slope of the line, m equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Remember, the x1 and the y1 are just letting you know it's the point. All right, so just as a quick review, this is considered x1, y1, and this is considered x2 comma y2. All right, everybody good with that? All right, so then it's just m equals -6 minus 5 over 5. And don't forget, it's not minus negative. It's just what? Plus. So I have what? Yeah, -11 over 7. All right, everybody try 25 real quick. I'm going to tell them. Jeff?
Same.
It's 5 minus -2. So I just write negative there.
Okay, so here we go, back on track. Sorry, we got the air going. All right, now for question number 25, again, m equals 7 minus 12 over -1 plus 1, which means we have -5 over 0, which means we say it's undefined or we say no slope. All right, you cannot divide by 0. All right, next. 26, calculate. Tell me. Yeah, 9 minus 9 over -17 plus 3. So as soon as we get 0 in the numerator, we're just going to call it 0. All right, and we knew that was horizontal if you plot the points, and the vertical if you were to plot those. All right, David, go. 9 minus 8 over 7 plus 4. 1 over 11. Yes, ma'am. No, you're going to write 0 down. Right, it's not wrong, but just write the 0. All right, so now we have 28. Tell me.
It's no solution.
9 minus 1 over 3 minus 3, 8 over 0. Thank you. No solution. Cooper. What is it? That's what I'm asking you. -2 minus 9 over -2 plus 7. He said -11 over 5. Any issues? It's not bad. All right, now let's knock out 30. Slope for 30 is. Somebody said -9 over 13. Is that accurate?
I just have a question on the pattern. So is like the bottom, like these 29, is the bottom just always plus?
Yeah, pretty much. All right, you're right. If there's a negative on the bottom, we just move it in front or on the top. You with me? It's like if you write 1 over -2, we just don't write that. We just say -1/2. Okay? All right, and the last one here, 31. 8 over what? Wait a minute.
I got 8 over 8.
I got 8/8, right? Which is the same as 1. All right, which is the same as 1, yes. You put what? For what? It's asking for the slope. It's not asking for an equation. It's saying, what's the slope? 1/1. Up 1/1, up 1/1, up 1/1. What? Yeah, the slope is 1. All right. The slope. Yeah, m equals 1. Yes.